Hi there, welcome to BitMark Labs. My name is Marcello Rapti, and for those that are new in BitMark Labs, what you can find in BitMark Labs is everything related to blockchain technology. In our video today, we are trying to focus in Mystiko Network. I recommend everybody to go through the website. I will have all the links in the description below, guys, plus our article that how we are doing every time through Medium and Mirror XYZ. So basically, Mystiko Network is a base layer of Web3. Technically, is a universal ZK SDK, and I would recommend also to have a look into the white paper. I did that by myself, as I'm doing for every project, and especially Mystiko Network solution facilitates the cross-chain transfer of coins from one user to another securely. Pretty much is, in few sentences, that is what they want to achieve. Have a look into the white paper if you are not lazy. Also, you can go through the documentation and have a look about the audit that they did. It's very clear what their vision, what they want to achieve. Also, you want to have a look into the tokenomics. Okay, in this stage, I would like to mention that there is an airdrop for the community. The initials of Mystiko Network is XZK. Okay, and the max supply, it is 1 billion XZK. You can have a look here into the tokenomics, and as you can see here, that is the airdrop for the early user reward. So it's about 7 million XZK, and that will be 1 month cliff after TGE. For those that they don't understand, the 100% of the tokens will be unlocked 1 month after the launch of the token. Okay, great. Now, what we're trying to do here is I will give you exactly, for those that they are airdrop farmers, I will show you exactly how you can interact with the Mystiko Network step by step. And also, it will be actually a mini tutorial for the Camo wallet. That is the wallet that we want to interact with, the Mystiko Network. And you want to achieve extra points through the Galxe, so you can participate into the airdrop of Mystiko Network. And let's have a look around here. So there are 3 sections here, guys. So you're going through the Galxe. I will have also this link in the description below. As I said, you can go first with the first steps. Okay, all the steps here is most of them they are to interact with your Twitter account, with X account. Just here, as it says, quote the tweet and mention 3 friends, follow Mystiko Network on Twitter, so on and so forth. If you're going through the first steps, the first points, then you're gonna realize this one here, you have to interact with Ethereum. So if you're very brave, you can go through that. I've done only the first part. I didn't go further to make more transactions through Ethereum because it could cost you a fortune. Okay, but it's up to you. It's up to you how many points and how far you want to go for this airdrop. Let's have a look for the second one. So for the second one, as you can see, I did all the parts actually. I recommend once you're doing every step, just refresh. Okay, this the section, and this one will actually after that will be clicked and will be as completed. I am around 6 times that I did the transactions. So here, how you can get the points is like interact with any of those networks through Mystiko Network, and like to deposit and withdraw. Okay, you have to do that. You have to actually to deposit 1 time, the first one, 5 times. 10 times and 20 is the last one. Bear in mind that you have to do that, as I said before, for the Ethereum. That's why I say that is, I don't know if you are very brave for that, and it's up to you. You just get extra points. Do with you the other transactions so I can show you how I can achieve. I think I have now 6 that I did, 6 transactions. So I will go with you step by step so we can have a look how I refresh this one, and once I will achieve the 10 transactions, so that will turn automatically to green. Okay, once you click here, it will direct you. The first thing that you need to do is you have to log in with all your social media, Twitter, Discord, and your MetaMask wallet. Okay, this MetaMask wallet, make sure that it will be the same MetaMask wallet that will interact with Camo wallet. Okay, because you can't change that after. So make sure this MetaMask wallet will be the same when you interact with Camo wallet. Okay, don't change it. That is because this will be the relation with your Camo wallet, and then you, in this case, you're gonna have the airdrop, okay? Otherwise, you're gonna lose points and actually the airdrop if you're gonna change, the wallet all the time. The other thing that I want to mention is, in my case, what I'm doing is I don't use a main wallet, okay? For any art, what I'm doing is I create MetaMask. For every network, I create a different wallet. So for me, I have tons of wallets. I'm not using one wallet for every network. What I'm doing is diversify wallets in a network. I mean, that is what I'm doing. This an opinion is actually to be more clear and to have everything tidy up. Okay, and in this case, this one, as I say, that it will direct you to Camo wallet. Okay, so what you have to do is just create a new Camo wallet. Okay, and just go here. If you have already Camo wallet, just import the wallet. Now you have to enter a password. Just enter any password that you want. In this case, you have to reveal all your phrases and copy and paste them. What I will try to do, if you're extremely lazy, guys, I will show you how to do that. Is just go here and use your snipping tool. Just go here. There is this button over here that you can copy only the words, okay? And open a note, copy all text, just paste it, okay? And boom, you're here. In this case, you have to tidy up a bit. Just do that. Now that you have everything very clear here, you can type also your documentation. What this is, I will say Camo wallet, and then just say Mystiko, okay, Mystiko Network, and that's save it and leave it aside. We're gonna need that soon. And what you're gonna do here is just go for that, paste one by one your seed phrases. So I recommend, guys, normally just write it down also into a paper and have in both cases safe. So if you're gonna lose your USB, at least you have your notebook. And yeah, I recommend that. Just do it in both ways. I'm doing that all the time, and I change password every 6 months. And now I imported the one that I'm using. The previous one with the seed phrases, of course, guys, is a test. Don't go through that. What I will try to do here is just connect your MetaMask wallet here, guys. Okay. And as I say, make sure that it's the same MetaMask wallet that you're gonna you're gonna sign in with the Galxe, okay? I will show you step by step what you have to do into your Camo wallet, okay? Or the settings. First of all, you should turn on your data synchronization, okay, mode. Just turn it on, this one. And I recommend, when you're gonna do your transactions, I recommend just go for base or avalanche. But in this case, I will show you the base, because base is a super network, guys. So what you're going to do here is go through the settings, okay? Make sure you have this to auto sync and sync intervals to 5 minutes, okay? Just turn it this one, full mode also. For any case, if your transaction stuck between transfer, just what you have to do is go through the network that you did the transaction, just click it and save it. In this case, you're gonna clear your sync data, okay? And once you're gonna do that, you have to come over here back again, okay? And what you're gonna do is you have to turn on the specific network that you did the transaction, first of all. And the other one is, okay, we have also Linea. That's amazing. Just today, I found Linea as well. Just don't turn on all of them, okay? Just turn on the networks that you want to interact with, because after that, we're gonna save actually that one, and you are coming over here. You can see that the Linea just added, and you have to check the status, okay? And what you're gonna do here is we have to sync that again, okay? All the networks. It will take a couple of seconds. As I say, don't sync all the networks because it will take ages sometimes. You don't want that. Since you did that, let's go step by step. Let's have a look how pretty much is working through Camo wallet. I'm going to look private assets. So you can see here that now in Mystiko Network, I have 0.1, okay? I have 0.1 Ethereum available, okay? I transfer that through Base Network. As I say, you can create another wallet, you can import wallet, and so on and so forth. So you can do whatever you want. Now, what I will do is I want to withdraw my 0.1 Ethereum, okay? I want to withdraw back to my Base. Have a look. now you can see here, you have to make sure that is the base, okay? Ethereum, no breach, so on and so forth. Everything is fine here. If you are going to transfer USDC, you have to change that, but probably will be automatically everything. And what I want to do here is I'm going through MetaMask. I'm going to copy this one. Have to make sure actually also you have base network, okay, or any network that you're gonna use. So paste your address here and then the password of your Camo wallet. Bear in mind that if for any reason you're gonna type a wrong password, don't stay here, guys. It will pop up like a notification that is something wrong and you didn't add the right password. So what you have to do is just go back and refresh your page, okay? Don't wait that here, because you're gonna wait for no reason and it will never go through, okay? Just refresh your page. So $0.13 for that. The withdraw, to be honest, is very fast. You will not have any issue with withdraw, okay? Bear in mind of that. I didn't have until now. It will take a couple of seconds. It will take time only through deposit, and we're gonna check that together. Okay, sweet. Everything is done. What we're trying to do here is I'm going to withdraw history. So always check your withdraw history, and you can see here that it succeeds, okay? And if I will go here to private assets, I'm not gonna find my 0.1 Ethereum because now it is through my base network, okay? Now let's have a look and go for the deposit. So just check base, okay, Ethereum 0.1, Mystiko address that you have 0.1. There is also a range that for the stable coins I think is $100, guys. So it's the minimum amount that you can actually deposit. And for Ethereum and stuff like that is a bit higher. So for Ethereum in base and I guess Ethereum network also, it is the minimum 0.1 Ethereum, okay? That is just leave it how it is and just press the deposit, confirm. You can see that it's less here, 0.05, but let's have a look how long it will take to actually go through our transaction and to receive our coins into Mystiko Network. Okay guys, as you can see here, I'm going to deposit history. It's clear here, the status is queued. So what we are waiting here is to turn into included, because you will not, if I will go here to private assets, you can see here that is 0.1 Ethereum pending. So once this one will be ticked as executed, and will change the status to included, okay? So now we have to wait, make some coffee for you and enjoy. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, the transaction executed and you can see here that is included. So I did so far, as you can see here, I'm going here to deposit history, yeah. So as you can see here, I have already 8 transactions, so I will do another 2. And basically I will do another 1 through base, and I want to test also Linea because it's new now to the wallet. They implemented today. So let's have a look. So I'm going back to transaction, going to withdraw that. If you're going to all the transaction, 20 transactions, yeah, 20 deposit and 20 withdraw, so I think will be roughly $6 to $10. Just bear in mind of that. Okay, let's go to withdraw history here. As you can see, succeeded, pretty much done. It's very fast. And I will go back to deposit again, base Ethereum, your wallet 0.1, everything is fine, confirm. Let's enjoy our coffee again. I think 1 cup of coffee, if you're gonna go through 10 transactions, will be enough. So as you can see here, $0.04. So the deposit is cheaper than the withdrawal, okay? Okay guys, this one took around 10 minutes, between 10 and 11 minutes. I'm going to withdraw again, base, paste. As you can see here, it pop up that I have a wrong password. What you're gonna do here, as I said before, don't wait for the transaction to be in progress, because you're gonna wait that for ages. Just refresh and just do the process again, okay? Also, bear in mind, guys, that you want to use networks that it will give you an airdrop in the near future, yeah? Not only through Mystiko, but which are those that we are waiting for the airdrop, for huge airdrops. One is base and the other one is Linea. So it's better to go through these networks so you can have more interaction with Mystiko Network and also with Base and Linea. Yeah. In this case, as I said before, I'm going to deposit through Linea Network. Okay. What I have to do is I have to change my my network here. Okay. So I'm going through Linea Network. Got it. So let's go through that. The other thing that I want to recommend you is, guys, don't do many transactions at once, because you don't want to overload the transaction. Just do the one transaction, wait, withdraw, deposit, withdraw, and do the process one by one. Camo wallet is a beta version, so just give them some space, guys, and you have to understand what the developers are doing here. As a user, you should understand also the developers. It is actually a very good fundamental in your mind. You know, let's have a look here through Linea. As I say, they implemented that today. So let's have a look. Ethereum, Mystiko Network, Mystiko address, 0.1, the same with Base. So deposit, firm. I want to check also how long it will take to interact with Linea Network as well. So 0.05, pretty much the same with Base. Okay, guys, I think I had all my coffee. It took more what I expected, 21 minutes. Okay, that's fair enough, and that's fine. Something else that I wanted to say to you, I will not recommend at all to use the BNB chain anyway, but especially the BUSD, okay, because it's discontinued, it's not anymore the BUSD, we don't use that anymore, okay? Just don't use that all, guys, okay? That is for you to clarify this one. Let's go back, and I have to do another one transaction so I can complete the 10 transaction that I was looking for. Okay, the amount that you have to pay in gas fees through Linea is the same like in Base. Confirm, $0.12. Another thing that you can have a look is the Explorer, guys. As long as you're waiting the transaction to happen, especially the deposit one, if you're not drinking coffee, I would recommend just go through the Explorer. You can just click here in the button, in the URL, and then it will direct you through the Explorer Mystiko Network, okay? And you can have a look. Surprisingly, you're gonna find out that there are more than 331,000 transactions at the moment through Mystiko Network, and total volume over $150 million, okay? Also the 6 supported chains. What we are going to do here is, as long as you complete the 10 transactions, yeah? So as I say, is 1, 5, 10, and 20, okay? You have to refresh that one. Press the refresh button. Weird. All right. Yay. I have to do another one in Base Network because Linea is not inside those networks, guys, because it's a new. I forgot that. Let's have a look, and I will do another one. Okay, guys, now as I completed the other transaction through the Base Network, okay, as you can see, I just completed the 10 transactions. I will go and claim the 50 points, claim the 40 points. I don't know why, but I forgot to claim my points. Guys, what I wanted to cover in this video, it was mini tutorial how we interacted with Camo wallet, also for people that are interested in upcoming projects, and also to participate through the Mystiko Network airdrop. But as I say, just come, guys, through our Discord server. We have plenty of stuff there, from investment into early projects, how to run your own node, airdrops, so on and so forth. So everything related with blockchain technology. Don't forget to follow us through our social media, especially in X. If you found this video very informative, so please share with your family and friends, guys. Subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and turn on your notification button so you don't lose any video in the future. Okay, that's me, guys. Be blessed. BitMark out. See you next time. And don't forget to bring your cup of coffee next time.